guys, Mike here. Today I got an insane stock for you guys that I have never talked about on this channel before, and I am super excited to trade this company because the stock on this chart is bullish. Now the name of this company is none other than Maxar Technologies, ticker symbol MAXR. Now if you guys have never heard of this company, and that's because it is not a huge company to be well aware of. But this company pretty much focuses on space, satellite technology, robotics, geospatial, other stuff, and it also works with government contracts as well. We're going to go over some brief explanations about this company. We're going to go over some a small brief over its financials. We are going to go pretty heavy on the stock charts. We are going to go over some pretty heavy analysis on technical analysis, and we're going to go over where I think this stock could be headed over the next few weeks, months, if not year. So with that said, guys, let's waste no further time. Make sure you always destroy that like button. Hit subscribe. It really helps out my channel, and I really do appreciate it. Check out my Patreon page. Come trade with us. Come make some great returns with us if you like to not waste your money, because you know time is money, guys. So do not waste your time. Check out my Patreon page and come trade with us. With that said, guys, let's waste no further time. Let's begin. Yeah. All right, guys, let's check out what is going on with Maxar Technologies, ticker symbol MAXR. As you can see, Maxar has been consolidating pretty nicely the last few weeks, I would say, and it has been trading pretty beautifully in the box right now, and that is good. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at this. This chart is about to go pretty bullish right now. All right, MACD is crossing over, TSI crossing over, histogram about to shift up. That is exactly what you want to see on charts like this in order to get a beautiful trade. All right now it's trading about 29. We can see this stock going to around $30, actually 35, excuse me, around 35 bucks would be the trade. That is a nice place where I think this stock could be headed. If it breaks 35, we can definitely seeing it going to around 37, actually even 38, but I think 37 is where I would see the next stop. And of course, if it breaks that, we see around 41. All right, 41, it breaks 41, we become super bullish. I doubt it will go there, not in this kind of market we're having. Definitely, I think the maximum potential we have in this market is 35. That's where I would start unloading and getting out. All right, but right now, the chart is pretty bullish. We got to really look at the 5-day moving average and the 20-day moving average, right? That's when it tells you a perfect time that this stock has just broken the moving averages and it is trading. Right here, the red line is your 20-day and your blue is the 5-day moving average. We need to continue staying above this blue line, 5-day moving average, for this to be a very bullish movement. And of course, histogram has to shift up, and we have MACD crossing over very soon. I do expect this stock to move up. If Monday is not a bloody day, I expect this stock to break out. And right now, his RSI is pretty dirt cheap, around 38. And if we can get it up here around 45, we have a nice movement coming on. I think we have a great possibility of this stock moving up this week. Let's move on. Just look at Maxar. It's making some crazy moves after hours of about 1.4%. If we look at tip ranks, they say the stock is worth about $50, right? $49.9. That's a 68% upside. Pretty much a lot of stocks should have a upside, right? A lot of companies have crashed 30 to 50% the last 3-4 months. So I'm not surprised where you would see on tip ranks it would give you a higher upside potential from these things. They're saying the lowest is 41, and right now we're trading around 29. So we can see a lot of difference on this where the company could be expected to head it. But looking at right now, PE ratio of 6.8, that is absolutely dirt cheap bottom, right? Anything pretty much below a 10 PE ratio is like a must buy. You should like throw your money at this stock. That's how crazy the PE ratio right now of this company is, right? It's a $2 billion market cap. Its ranges have the past year have been from 9 to 58. Previous close around 29 bucks. Dividend, it pays like a penny every 3 months. And look at this. I want to show you guys some crazy movements it has had the last year, actually, right? Starting in 2016, all down, terrible. This company's revenue was horrible, right? It just gets even worse the next year. Actually, it gets a little bit better, but 2018, oh my gosh, they lose like a lot of money, right? And then comes 2019, they start becoming pretty prosperous. 2020, just it's no chance, right? Like the market was not doing good for space technology companies, right? We just had COVID going on, not a lot of space launching was going on. But just look at 2021, right? They are doing already good. They're already cash flow positive in 2021, and I expect them to do well. Net income is a little bit down. That's bad, kind of. But their cash on hand is 22 million, which is good. Cost of revenue is pretty high, but it's been going up consistently. But that's only just quarter one, right? They've decreased costs in 2020 quarter one because of the COVID, and then it started picking up towards the end, and then the Q4 it just took off, right? So we expect them to do pretty fairly on the cost of revenue because the market is opening up, economy is opening up, space is going to be opening up. Cash on hand has increased by 83%. All right, this company is going to continuously do well, right? I believe in this company long term. It should be a pretty profitable company over time. They are very focused on satellite technologies, and I think it just pretty good to keep your eye on this company, right? I would keep my eyes on Maxr Technologies. I'm about to start building a position in this. I do not have a position yet, but I do believe I am going to build a position. As long as it holds this 5-day moving average this week, I am going to start loading some heavy shares, especially with this bullish signal I'm getting. I don't expect it to make some massive moves, but I do expect it to move at least till around 35 bucks, make a gap right back up, right? We just gapped down pretty heavy the past few months. I expect a little gap up coming up, especially with the 5-day and the 20-day moving average getting pretty close to crossing over. So with that said, guys, make sure to keep your eyes on this stock. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. I post some buys and sells on my Instagram, so check it out. Come follow us, come trade with us. But most of that is going to be done on the Patreon page, so make sure to check my link in the description box and come trade on my Patreon page. Also, guys, do not miss out on the promotion going on right now with WeBull, where they are giving 4 free stocks, 2 when you sign up to use their platform, and 2 more when you make a deposit of $100 or more. WeBull will give you 4 stocks, and right now they're also giving out Tesla. So check out the link in the description box. Get a chance to enter to win Tesla from WeBull. Also, if you want another free stock, check out FirstTrade. They are giving pretty good stocks. And finally, we have our handy dandy Robinhood, which gives out pretty garbage stocks here and there as well. Thanks again for watching my video, and until next time, make money with Mike.